Are you opening it? What's inside? Can you have a guess? Wow, I can't wait for you to open it. What? What is that? Thankfully, there's no hot water inside. What are you making? Is it a tea? Yum! You add some lemon inside. Can you show the lemon? I can taste the lemon in my mouth. Squishy, squishy. We're pouring some hot water. Or are you making a tea? Shh, squish, squish. I hope there's no lemon seeds inside. I think I will have some guests over. Who would you like to invite? I will have my friends and my grandma. And what about your auntie? Or what about your favorite uncle? Yay! It's going to be a nice party. That's the tea. What about a matcha? That would be delicious too. Shh, shh. Nice and fresh. Lemon for the detox. We're pouring some. Lemon is flying. Let me boil some water in the kettle. Maybe we should do a cheers with the tea. Cheers! That was delicious. Are you making something new? What's your favorite color? Is it the maroon, white, green, or gray? Is it the white one? I think my favorite one is this one, the green one. Thank you. I'll have a nice cup of tea. That's so delicious. Thank you so much. My tummy is full of tea. Bye!